Hi, I'm Puya from bbqs.ca and we're looking at a Weber Genesis II E610 model today. The Genesis II comes in different sizes, a 2, 3, 4, and the largest size that we have in front of us, a 6-burner unit. The Genesis II models come standard with the black top, cast cooking grids, porcelainized flavorizer bar, and the stainless steel burners. All 6 burners are individually ignited by a push button located on the side of the grill. The Genesis II also has the fold-down warming rack standard on all the models. And the bigger models, it is cut in half so that you can have the ability to use one or have both of them put up so that you can utilize the extra space for warming up buns or using the warming racks. The 610 model, including the 6 main burners, has the 2 side shelves and 707 square inches of main cooking area. So it's got plenty of space for all bigger gatherings and to be able to entertain large parties. bbqs.ca, your source for grills and accessories.